In this video, we'll talk about if it is mandatory to have the file name and the class name same in Java. So let's start by creating a file. I'll start by creating a Java file. I'll name it as main.java. Okay. And yeah, let's go ahead and edit it and just give it a class name. So we have the file name as main, but what I'll do is I'll give the class as different. So we'll have something like demo. Okay, we'll have a class name as demo and public static void main, right? String args, and then we can just say system dot out dot println demo. Okay, that's it. It's a simple program, nothing much complex, but we'll start executing it. So we see that the class name is demo and the file name is main, which both are different. Otherwise, what most of us recommended way is to have them same, that if it is main.java, we'll keep it as main class, or either switch it around that we can have this demo.java. But for now, how to execute this command? So I can just open command prompt here and we can just compile this java c main.java. So the main thing to notice here is we give java c compilation on the file name, which is main.java. Enter it, and then now you see that there's a new file which has generated demo.class. So this class file which we generate, but the thing to notice here is that it is demo.class, not main.class. So this generates a class file for each class in the file. So now if we want to execute it, we'll write Java. This is the command to execute, and we'll write the class name, not the file name. This is the main distinction here. So we'll write Java demo. Now we see demo is printed, right? Otherwise, earlier, if we had the same file name and the same class name, so the first step would be same. We compile by the same file name. The second step, we don't have to switch to demo. We just write java.java main, because in that case, the class name and the file name are same. So we don't have to think about that much. That is why it is recommended that we have it same. But this is another thing we can do. It's not a mandatory thing. But let's talk about uh, what if we have multiple main classes in the same file, right? That is a possible, sorry, multiple classes in the same file. That is a possibilities. We can have class demo, we can have class demo one, right? Then what happens? I just wanted to give you a quick look into that also. If we have multiple class files with this main method, and we go ahead and compile it again. So now you see that there are two class files generated for each class. So each class has one of its own class file, demo.class, demo1.class, and we can simply run whichever we want to. So we can run demo or we can run demo1 also. So that's not a problem, right? So that is how you do for multiple classes. That is it. But there is a certain scenario where you have to have the class name and file name as same. And when does it come into play? Let's say we have the class demo and I do it as public class demo. So I make it public, right? Now, if we don't make the changes, any other change, you see what happens. I'll go to the command prompt, say java c main.java. So it gives a compilation error. What's the error? That the class demo is public and should be declared in a file named demo.java. So either we need to change it to class public class main, or we change the file name to demo.java. This is the special case, like where if you declare the class as public, then it is mandated to have the same file name, right? So this is a case where it is often asked in interviews also that if what if there is is it mandatory, and if not, so you can say you can, this is a main point to notice here. Now on the same point, can you tell me that can we have multiple public classes in same file, right? Can you have that? The answer is no, we cannot have that. Why? Because if there would be multiple classes, public classes in the same file, our compiler would not know which file name to pick up on, right? Because we have to have the same file name and the class name, and we cannot have same multiple, if it would not be possible with for multiple public classes. So what happens if I do public class demo1, right? I'll just show you. It's not possible. I'll just show you. And I do this. First of all, it will give me an error. Demo.java. This now we can certainly change that. So we can rename it demo.java, right? Java C demo.java. So now it gives some demo1 is public, should be declared in a file name. So it should be declared in a separate file, which should be demo1.java. So that's it for the video.